Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to reset screen lock from on this device, in case if you set yourself like PIN, password or any other screen lock method, and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device. So what you can do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After you enter this kind of menu, here you have to use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option, wipe data factory reset, and then confirm it by selecting factory data reset. And after you see the message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.